शोभनकराय ब्रह्मणे परमज्योतिषे स्वाहा। ओम श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं कृष्णाय गोविंदाय गोपीजनवल्लभाय हराय परमपुरुषाय परमात्मने परधर्ममन्त्रतन्त्रयन्त्र औषधास्त्रशस्त्राणि संहर संहर मृत्योर्मोचय मोचय। ओम नमो भगवते महासुदर्शनाय दीप्ते ज्वालावरीकाय सर्वदिक्शोभनकराय ब्रह्मणे परमज्योतिषे स्वाहा। ओम श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं कृष्णाय गोविंदाय गोपीजनवल्लभाय हराय परमपुरुषाय परमात्मने परधर्ममन्त्रतन्त्रयन्त्र औषधास्त्रशस्त्राणि संहर संहर मृत्योर्मोचय मोचय। ओम नमो भगवते महासुदर्शनाय दीप्ते ज्वालावरीकाय सर्वदिक्शोभनकराय ब्रह्मणे परमज्योतिषे स्वाहा। ओम श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं कृष्णाय गोविंदाय गोपीजनवल्लभाय हराय परमपुरुषाय परमात्मने परधर्ममन्त्रतन्त्रयन्त्र औषधास्त्रशस्त्राणि संहर संहर मृत्योर्मोचय मोचय। ओम नमो भगवते महासुदर्शनाय दीप्ते ज्वालावरीकाय सर्वदिक्शोभनकराय ब्रह्मणे परमज्योतिषे स्वाहा। ज्वाला कोटिसूर्यसमप्रभा अज्ञानमृतस्य मे देवा विष्णोर्मार्गप्रदर्शय।
A yogi will always have very good insight, very soon. He will be a very conscious person. He will be absolutely a very balanced person. He will not be affected by anything that happens around him. He will be always joyous. He will never be sad. He will never be depressed. He will be a beacon of light. He will be a person who can be always followed. He will be a pedagogue. His teachings will be very valuable. He will be spreading a saffron aura around him. All maladies will become melodies in his existence. He will be a very conscious person. He will have a lot of insight. That is Sudarshana. Sudarshana. Darshan means sight. Sudarshana means good sight. Good sight means insight. Sudarshana Mahajvala Koti Surya Samaprabha. Hey Sudarshana Chakra, Mahajvala. There is a lot of flames. Jvala. Sudarshana Mahajvala Koti Surya Samaprabha. The flames are emitting so much of rays and light, as though the light is emanating from 1 crore of sun. Koti Surya Samaprabha. Surya, Lord Surya, Koti Surya, if it joins together, what will be the kind of illumination that will be there? What kind of a light will be there? Light is very beautiful. Thomas Alva Edison. A little bit we will talk about Americans. Very great people. Very great. We have to remember Thomas Alva Edison basically first for electricity. He was the person. Today if everything is there, it is Edison's wonderful invention. Otherwise the world will be in dark. Alva Edison was trying to find out electricity for 30 years. He was trying every day, 18 to 19 hours of work. He will put in to find out. After 30 years, night at 1:30, suddenly the tungsten filament started glowing. He was so happy. His wife was sleeping. He called her. What is it you are? Yes. I told you there is something called electricity. You didn't believe me, there is some light. Electricity, I told you. You didn't believe me, no, you were always saying no. You see now, that is glowing. You see, you are the first person to see. Before I am going to announce it to the world, it is my wife who is first seeing. Come on, see. It's the time now. Now it is 1:30. Look at your stupid light. I will see the body. Koti Surya Samaprabha. See, you are doing something very beautiful. Your own kin and kin are not going to appreciate. Even the world appreciates. It hurts you. Suppose you are wearing a beautiful saree, your husband is coming. He should compliment it. It's a normal. Hey, how beautiful the saree is. But before your beauty, the saree is nothing. Like that if you say, another 1 month, something I love that, it will be very like that. Something, then there's some compliment, some small compliment. If you are not going to compliment your own husband or your own wife, whom else are you going to compliment? We should learn to compliment each other. After all, it is good, it is positive. There is nothing wrong. There is nothing wrong. I am not asking you to compliment neighbor's wife. Something else. But at least your own wife, your own person at home. Somebody we can compliment. Koti Surya Samaprabha. The light is to that extent. It is illuminated. Koti Surya Samaprabha. Ajnana Andasya Me Deva. There is a lot of darkness inside our mind. What is Ajnana? Ignorance. Ignorance is nothing else but darkness. You have got a lot of darkness inside. That darkness has to be dispelled. Already there is a lot of darkness, there is a lot of stupidity. You think you are different, I think I am different, I am an Indian, you are an American. So many classifications, you are a Punjabi, I am a Tamilian, you are a Andhra, I am a Kannadiga, like this. There are so many versions, so many. We have gone on dividing ourselves. We are not able to see unity among ourselves. We have gone on dividing. Somebody was telling me, you said, my son, I had sent him all the way for doing MS and then he got some job in a very big company, Microsoft, there in America. Everything is fine, sir. Finally, he married a Jew girl. What is there? What is wrong? What is there? There is nothing wrong. America should give you only dollars. America should give you only MS. America should not give you daughter-in-law. What is this? Why are you so narrow-minded? It is a system. You must accept the system totally or reject the system totally. You cannot, for convenience sake, you cannot take some points, and for convenience sake, you cannot ignore certain points. In a system, anything can happen. Actually, your daughter-in-law was to come from America. For that sake, Lord created a desire in your son to go in for MS, and he prepared GRE, he got through, he came here, everything. This is all a side track. The real track is he has to marry that girl. That was the original goal. But Lord duped you by luring you into all this. We are very narrow-minded. I tell you, Indians are so narrow-minded. You see India, in the north it is so broad. When it comes south, it goes. Whereas in the north it is very broad. I don't know. Koti Surya Samaprabha Ajnana Andasya Medeva. Arey, I have got a lot of darkness and ignorance. I am going on dividing everything. I am going on reasoning out certain things in a wrong way, and I am thinking I am different, I am different, I am different. There is nothing wrong. You think you are unique, don't think you are different. There is a difference. Everybody is very unique. In the system of nature, everyone is very unique. You are not different. You are unique. When you feel the other person as unique, you will always cherish the person. Always you will love the person. When you think the other person is different, you will feel jealous of them. That is why you must always think the other person is very unique. Already all such ignorant thoughts are there with us. Ajnana. This is what is ignorance. We all belong to the same thing. But we all think we are all different. Ajnana andasya medeva. Let this ignorance be darkened. Let the darkness be darkened. Let wisdom of light dawn unto me. Hey Sudakshana Chakra, Sudakshana Mahadvala, Koti Surya Samaprabha, Ajnana andasya medeva. Vishnur Marga Pradarshaya. What is this Vishnur Marga? What is this Vishnur Marga? Vishnu. Vishnu means what? Vishnu means immediately you think he is putting on Navam and this. That is not Vishnu. Vishnu in Sanskrit, the translation is Sarva Vyati. The Lord is available everywhere. That is what it means. You call it Jesus, you call it Allah, anything. Vishnur Marga Pradarshaya. The Lord is available everywhere at every point of time. That bliss should come inside you to recognize the Lord in anything and everything. You must be able to perceive the concept of universal consciousness with every object of creation as you see. When you do that, you become a balanced person and you are a true yogi. You see how beautiful. The characteristic of a yogi has said, Patanjali was really is a class. It's a wonderful fellow. Very nice. Excellent. We all do all yoga. I wanted you do yoga. I don't say do anything you want. A little bit of you want to shake the hands and legs. Do it. No problem. But you should know behind it there is something very big. Most of the time, unfortunately, people who are being initiated into yoga are not told all these things. And yoga is so vast, we can keep discussing throughout our life. It is so vast. Neither you have time, nor I have time, neither you have patience, nor I have patience. Now it's okay, now it's only 7:30, you are all eyes are wide open. Another 1 hour, some eyes will get closed. Some people have got an app to keep eyes wide open and still sleep. That is, they are very highest yogi. Om Aindrim Sudarshanena Vadrami Namasakraya Swaha. Om Agnim Sudarshanena Vadrami Namasakraya Swaha. Om Yam Yam Sudarshanena Vadrami Namasakraya Swaha. Om Nairuddhi Sudarshanena Vadrami Namasakraya Swaha. Om Varune Sudarshanena Vadrami Namasakraya Swaha. Om Vayave Sudarshanena Vadrami Namasakraya Swaha. Om Obheni Sudarshanena Vadrami Namasakraya Swaha. Om Ishani Sudarshanena Vadrami Namasakraya Swaha. Om Vadhe Sudarshanena Vadrami Namasakraya Swaha. Akashe Sudarshanena Vadrami Namasakraya Swaha. Achakraya Swaha. Vichakraya Swaha. Om Suchakraya Swaha.
गोपीजनवल्लभाय स्वाहा। ओम श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं कृष्णाय गोविंदाय गोपीजनवल्लभाय पराय स्वाहा। ओम श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं कृष्णाय गोविंदाय गोपीजनवल्लभाय पराय परमपुरुषाय स्वाहा। ओम श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं कृष्णाय गोविंदाय गोपीजनवल्लभाय पराय परमपुरुषाय परमात्मने स्वाहा। ओम श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं कृष्णाय गोविंदाय गोपीजनवल्लभाय पराय परमपुरुषाय परमात्मने परब्रह्म स्वाहा। ओम श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं कृष्णाय गोविंदाय गोपीजनवल्लभाय पराय परमपुरुषाय परमात्मने परब्रह्म मंत्र स्वाहा। ओम श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं कृष्णाय गोविंदाय गोपीजनवल्लभाय पराय परमपुरुषाय परमात्मने परब्रह्म मंत्र तंत्र स्वाहा। ओम श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं कृष्णाय गोविंदाय गोपीजनवल्लभाय पराय परमपुरुषाय परमात्मने परब्रह्म मंत्र तंत्र यंत्र स्वाहा। ओम श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं कृष्णाय गोविंदाय गोपीजनवल्लभाय पराय परमपुरुषाय परमात्मने परब्रह्म मंत्र तंत्र यंत्र औषध स्वाहा। ओम श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं कृष्णाय गोविंदाय गोपीजनवल्लभाय पराय परमपुरुषाय परमात्मने परब्रह्म मंत्र तंत्र यंत्र औषध अस्त्र शस्त्राणि स्वाहा। ओम श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं कृष्णाय गोविंदाय गोपीजनवल्लभाय पराय परमपुरुषाय परमात्मने परब्रह्म मंत्र तंत्र यंत्र औषध अस्त्र शस्त्राणि संहर स्वाहा स्वाहा। ओम श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं कृष्णाय गोविंदाय गोपीजनवल्लभाय पराय परमपुरुषाय परमात्मने परब्रह्म मंत्र तंत्र यंत्र औषध अस्त्र शस्त्राणि संहर संहर मृत्योर्मोचय मोचय स्वाहा। ओम श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं कृष्णाय गोविंदाय गोपीजनवल्लभाय पराय परमपुरुषाय परमात्मने परब्रह्म मंत्र तंत्र यंत्र औषध अस्त्र शस्त्राणि संहर संहर मृत्योर्मोचय मोचय। ओम नमो भगवते स्वाहा। ओम श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं कृष्णाय गोविंदाय गोपीजनवल्लभाय पराय परमपुरुषाय परमात्मने परब्रह्म मंत्र तंत्र यंत्र औषध अस्त्र शस्त्राणि संहर संहर मृत्योर्मोचय मोचय। ओम नमो भगवते महासुदर्शनाय स्वाहा। ओम श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं कृष्णाय गोविंदाय गोपीजनवल्लभाय पराय परमपुरुषाय परमात्मने परब्रह्म मंत्र तंत्र यंत्र औषध अस्त्र शस्त्राणि संहर संहर मृत्योर्मोचय मोचय। ओम नमो भगवते महासुदर्शनाय दीप्ते स्वाहा। ओम श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं कृष्णाय गोविंदाय गोपीजनवल्लभाय पराय परमपुरुषाय परमात्मने परब्रह्म मंत्र तंत्र यंत्र औषध अस्त्र शस्त्राणि संहर संहर मृत्योर्मोचय मोचय। ओम नमो भगवते महासुदर्शनाय दीप्ते ज्वालारहिताय स्वाहा। ओम श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं कृष्णाय गोविंदाय गोपीजनवल्लभाय पराय परमपुरुषाय परमात्मने परब्रह्म मंत्र तंत्र यंत्र औषध अस्त्र शस्त्राणि संहर संहर मृत्योर्मोचय मोचय। ओम नमो भगवते महासुदर्शनाय दीप्ते ज्वालारहिताय सर्वविक्षोभनकराय स्वाहा। ओम श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं कृष्णाय गोविंदाय गोपीजन वल्लभाय पराय परम पुरुषाय परमात्मने परकर्म मंत्र तंत्र यंत्र औषधास्त्र शस्त्राणि संहर संहर मृत्योर्मोचय मोचय। ओम नमो भगवते महासुदर्शनाय धीत्रे ज्वालापरीताय सर्वविक्षोभणकराय हुं फट् ब्रह्मणे ओम श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं कृष्णाय गोविन्दाय गोपीजन वल्लभाय पराय परम पुरुषाय परमात्मने परकर्म मंत्र तंत्र यंत्र औषधास्त्र शस्त्राणि संहर संहर मृत्योर्मोचय मोचय। ओम नमो भगवते महासुदर्शनाय धीत्रे ज्वालापरीताय सर्वविक्षोभणकराय हुं फट् ब्रह्मणे ओम श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं कृष्णाय गोविन्दाय गोपीजन वल्लभाय पराय परम पुरुषाय परमात्मने परकर्म मंत्र तंत्र यंत्र औषधास्त्र शस्त्राणि संहर संहर मृत्योर्मोचय मोचय। ओम नमो भगवते महासुदर्शनाय धीत्रे ज्वालापरीताय सर्वविक्षोभणकराय हुं फट् ब्रह्मणे परं ज्योतिषे स्वाहा। ओम श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं कृष्णाय गोविन्दाय गोपीजन वल्लभाय पराय परम पुरुषाय परमात्मने परकर्म मंत्र तंत्र यंत्र औषधास्त्र शस्त्राणि संहर संहर मृत्योर्मोचय मोचय। ओम नमो भगवते महासुदर्शनाय धीत्रे ज्वालापरीताय सर्वविक्षोभणकराय हुं फट् ब्रह्मणे परं ज्योतिषे स्वाहा स्वाहा। ओम श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं कृष्णाय गोविन्दाय गोपीजन वल्लभाय पराय परम पुरुषाय परमात्मने परकर्म मंत्र तंत्र यंत्र औषधास्त्र शस्त्राणि संहर संहर मृत्योर्मोचय मोचय। ओम नमो भगवते महासुदर्शनाय धीत्रे ज्वालापरीताय सर्वविक्षोभणकराय हुं फट् ब्रह्मणे परं ज्योतिषे स्वाहा। ज्वाला कोटिसूर्यः समप्रभा अज्ञानानन्दस्य मे देवा विष्णोर्मार्गप्रदर्शय।
दर्शनाय विद्महे
महाज्वालाय धीमहि तन्नो चक्रः प्रचोदयात्।
सुदर्शनाय विद्महे
हेलिराजाय धीमहि तन्नो चक्रः प्रचोदयात्।
सुदर्शनाय विद्महे ज्वालाचक्राय
धीमहि तन्नो ज्वालचक्रः प्रचोदयात्।
चक्रं ददामं परदुमधिमकं दूरवाचाम्बुजाग्ने
विभ्राणं
वज्रहेणो हलमुसलगदा कुन्दमद्योग्रतमष्ट्रम् ज्वालादेशं त्रिनेत्रं जलधननिभं हारकेयूरभूषम् ध्याये षट्कोणसमस्तं सकलरिपुजन प्राणसंहारचक्रं सुदर्शनमहाज्वाल
कोटिसूर्यः समप्रभा अज्ञानानन्दस्य मे देवा विष्णोर्मार्गः प्रदर्शय।
हरिमन्नन्ते हरिमनन्तन्ते हरिमन्नङ्गन्ते हरिमणिकन्ते अन्नुम्बन्तेनि नारावणीन नन्नन्ते नारायणस्य प्रदर्व अधिपदेन प्रदन्नस्योः। ओम सुदर्शन अस्त्राय पठ। ओम सुदर्शन अस्त्राय पठ।
ओम सुदर्शन अस्त्राय पठ। ओम सुदर्शन अस्त्राय पठ। ओम सुदर्शन अस्त्राय पठ। ओम सुदर्शन अस्त्राय पठ। ओम सुदर्शन अस्त्राय पठ। ओम सुदर्शन अस्त्राय पठ। ओम सुदर्शन अस्त्राय पठ। ओम सुदर्शन अस्त्राय पठ। ओम सुदर्शन अस्त्राय पठ। ओम सुदर्शन अस्त्राय पठ। ओम सुदर्शन अस्त्राय पठ। ओम सुदर्शन अस्त्राय पठ। ओम सुदर्शन अस्त्राय पठ। ओम सुदर्शन अस्त्राय पठ। ओम सुदर्शन अस्त्राय पठ। ओम सुदर्शन अस्त्राय पठ। ओम सुदर्शनास्त्राय